Welcome back, aviation enthusiast. Today we have an exciting journey ahead as we dive into the history and specifications of the Kalitta Air Boeing 767-3P6 extended range freighter registered as November 763 Charlie Kilo. But before we delve into the specifics, let's start with a brief history lesson. Kalitta Air, founded in 1967 by Conrad Connie Kalitta as American International Airways, has a rich aviation history. It began as a small airline flying cargo charters with a twin-engine Cessna 310 and has since grown with a couple of stops and starts into a major player in the air cargo industry. Over the years, the airline has expanded its fleet, and in early 2017 it introduced this particular Boeing 767 freighter into its cargo operations. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty details of this aircraft. The Boeing 767-3P6 extended range freighter is a versatile cargo aircraft known for its incredible performance. This plane is no exception. Powered by Pratt & Whitney JT9D series high bypass turbofan engines, with each engine producing up to 61,500 pounds-force or 274 kilonewtons. It boasts impressive fuel efficiency with a maximum range of nearly 6,000 nautical miles or 11,100 kilometers, making it a cost-effective choice for long-haul cargo missions. Inside, the aircraft offers a cavernous cargo hold allowing over 4,000 cubic feet or 114 meters cubed of cargo space, making it capable of accommodating a wide range of freight from oversized machinery to perishable goods. In the cockpit, a highly skilled crew relies on advanced avionics to navigate safely across the globe. Its aerodynamic wing design allows for efficient cruising, and the 767's twin-engine configuration enhances reliability. Initially, this aircraft began as a passenger airliner for the Bahrain flag Gulf Air on 17 June of 1993. It was with Gulf Air that this aircraft was registered as Alpha 4 Oscar-Gulf uniform and painted in Gulf Air's 1990s livery with blue, green, and red striping on the fuselage and tail. As a passenger liner, this aircraft could hold up to 290 passengers in a one-class layout, but the norm was around 210 passengers in a three-class layout. After 13 years of regular passenger service with Gulf Air, this aircraft was transferred to Gulf Air's all-economy airliner known as Gulf Traveler. While with this airline, the layout was changed to an all-economy layout to maximize passengers for low-cost trips to and from Bahrain. This stint in the plane's career would last till 2008. It was at this point that the aircraft traveled north and began serving with the Russian airline Transaero with the registration of Echo India-Uniform November Alpha. After several years of flying passengers in and around Russia, Transaero's debt became too much for creditors, and the airline was shut down in late October 2015. At this time, the aircraft was placed in storage in the preserving desert air of the Teruel airport in Spain. It would sit in that desert for nearly 2 years. At this time, the aircraft was refueled and sent to Mexico City International Airport to begin its cargo conversion by the Israeli Aerospace Industries Company, which gave this airplane the Bedek standard cargo conversion. In March of 2018, the aircraft was ferried to Oscoda Smith, Michigan Airport to begin full-time operations for Kalitta. The aircraft gained a new registration of November 763 Charlie Kilo and a hybrid livery of Kalitta white fuselage and titles on the forward half of the fuselage, with DHL yellow and titles on the aft part of the fuselage. In 2022, the aircraft would be leased by ABX Air, formerly known as Airborne Express. The livery was changed to a full standard DHL yellow and magenta paint scheme. As of the middle of 2023, this airplane continues flying for DHL contracted flights from ABX Air's hubs in Cincinnati and Miami. We hope you've enjoyed this in-depth look at this aircraft and its remarkable journey through time and space. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more aviation content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on this aviation adventure, and until next time, happy flying. The video on the screen now is a 1/400 scale model produced by a company called JC Models in 2019. This particular model has so far, in the middle of 2023, been the only model of any scale produced to represent this aircraft. For any enterprise that is interested, this channel is available for advertising for your company. This opportunity is available for all reputable North American companies. Please contact me at the shown email address for details. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you watch my videos, from start to finish, helps me get a larger distribution, which will bring in more subscribers that will then repeat this process. If you like what you've seen, hit those like buttons and spread the word. If you've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've had fun watching it. Thank you and good day.